What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Hobby Cantina. This is Chris, and I got an unboxing to do, mystery unboxing. Had a friend that sent me this /subscriber, and he basically said, I sent you some stuff from Mattel, and he was like, did you get it? And I was like, I don't know what you're talking about. And then he apparently had the contact Mattel, and Mattel was like, oh, our bad, we'll go ahead and send it. We had just printed the ticket or something for it. But finally got it. This was supposed to come, I think, back in like July or something like that. So got it. I have no idea what's in here, but let's go ahead and find out what's in this box. All right, let's go ahead and just cut this one right open. All right, so we go ahead and show you what's going on in here. So, all right. Oh, look at this. This is cool. What is this? 2023 holiday car. Okay, 1952 Dodge Power Wagon. All right, awesome. That's cool. That's really, really cool. All right, so far so good. So I'll put that one aside. And yeah, well let's just start with that one, and then we'll come back. I'm glad that you can't really see what's in here. I can tell that something is a transport, I think it might be. I hope so. But yeah, let's go ahead and we'll start with this one. Let's unbox this one first. All right, so I'm gonna try something a little different today with my unboxings. I'm gonna give you this angle, and then we're gonna flip back to the cutting board and then have that angle as well. But let's go ahead and cut this one open. And let's see, I'm super excited about this. I have no idea what this is. Okay. This is cool. 1952 Dodge Power Wagon. Now I have an image of what's going on here. All right, so let's go ahead and pop this open. And then, like I said, I'm gonna flip down so you can see it down here. All right, so this is the 2023 Christmas one, I guess. And this is it's a red line, so it's from the Red Line Club, and that's cool. I think I remember seeing this on that site. I've ordered some stuff from them before, but yeah, I think I remember seeing this one. Let's see, ooh, wow. Okay, this thing's cool. It's like chromed out. Yeah, it's chrome. It's totally chromed out. It's like a green chrome, and then in the bed there's like it's almost like I can't really tell. It's like a weird texture. This is really, really cool. All right, so check this out. Totally chromed out. I'll go ahead and pop this thing open. I guess you just pop it open. I don't know. I don't have any of these. This is really, really cool. This box that it came in is awesome. Let's see. Can we pop that open like that? Yeah. Okay. There we go. There we go. All right. Look at that. Now that is cool. There's like all sorts of different details on it. It says High Country Tree Service. Okay. Well, I know why he got me this one then. That makes sense. I live up in the mountains. Oh, wow. The detail on the bottom of this thing is so freaking awesome. Look at that. That is cool. I definitely don't own any Hot Wheels that look like this. Yeah, check that out. All right, so let's take a close-up look at this real quick. High Country Tree Service. And as you can see now, you can see that detail I was talking about in the bed. Yeah, I mean, that this is a really, really cool truck. This thing is awesome. The detail on it is insane. And I think my favorite thing about it is that they painted this undercarriage and all, like they got like everything. Yeah, it's really cool. It's got some weight to it, but the paint is my favorite. That chromed out green. So cool. So check this out. You can actually twist this thing too. I didn't even realize that. But yeah, you can twist it. So if you want to get like a shot of this or something, like I could take this or like a rock or something. Let's see, like here's like this little truck right here. And then I'll take this, and then you see, you can just like kind of place it on something. And I didn't realize it until after I saw it in the picture. But yeah, just wanted to throw that in there too, that this thing actually twists. So there's another thing I've never seen with Hot Wheels. So that's really, really cool. But yeah. All right, well, let's see what's next in the box. All right, so not looking. All right, ooh. So it's a Car Culture Hot Wheels Premium Double Pack Miata. Got a 2004 Mazda Speed Miata and a Mazda RX-7 FC Pandem. Okay, wow, this is cool. I like the seats on this one. All right. So this is really, really cool. I had no idea what to expect. I thought it was a team transport then. All right, so yeah, I've seen this Sprinter, that's for sure. But yeah, that's really, really cool. I might unbox this one later in another video or something, but for now, let's keep this one in the package. You can tell that this one's got a nice sparkle to it, like a really, really nice sparkle. All right, on to the next one. Oh, this looks like it might be, this is the last one, actually. All right, it's a Liberty. Okay. All right, cool. Liberty Works, Lamborghini, Hurricane. Awesome. This one's got a lot of detail to it, too. It almost looks like it's like a smoke gray glass on it. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any of these. But yeah, that's Slide Street 2. Awesome. See if I have any of these. So there's a Nissan 240SX, it looks like. And the GR Corolla, Nissan Z, and the Ford Mustang RTR Spec. Okay, yeah. Well, yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any of these, or if you have any of these, this Miata or this RX-7. I thought they were two Miatas at first, but no. One's a Miata and one's an RX-7. And then let me know if you got this one either. This was definitely the highlight of the video, and shout out to my friend. Thanks for sending this to me. I really appreciate it. Thank you for being a subscriber. All right, everyone. Well, shorter video today, just a quick unboxing. I was just supposed to be releasing a new RC video that was going to come out on Thursday, but unfortunately I haven't gotten outside to build the track and all that for that video. And that whole video is going to be based on me just building an RC, kind of like a little crawler slash track, test track for RC trucks. So if you watch that stuff on my channel, that video is probably going to come out maybe Friday or Saturday, but it's still windy, still thunderstorming and all that. Just wanted to give you an update. But as soon as that clears up, I'll get that track built. It'll probably take a day or two for me to do it. And then, yeah, and then we'll throw some RC trucks on there and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you for watching Hobby Cantina. And as always, if you have any questions or any suggestions or anything like that, let me know in the comments below and I will get to you as soon as I can. Thanks again.